Hi there, my name is Glenn and I'm a leader and coach with over 20 years of experience. Today, I am sharing 3 quick ideas that can change your life, so stick around for the next 2-3 minutes. Number 1, knowledge is the compound interest of curiosity. The more curious you are, that leads to you asking more questions about various different topics, and in that process, you're learning. With the compound of you asking questions over an extended period of time, just imagine the knowledge you will have in the end. Number 2, here's a practical definition of opportunity cost. If you spend too much time working on good things, you will have very little time to work on great things. Understand that opportunity cost means eliminating good uses of time, and that's what makes it really hard. And number 3, there are 3 primary drivers of results in life. Your luck or fate, which can be considered random, your strategy, which is down to your choices, and your actions. Those are your daily habits. Only 2 of these 3 are under your control. But if you master those 2, there's a high likelihood that you're gonna invite more luck into your life. So next time you utter the phrase, "I'm just not as lucky as that next guy or girl," think about what you're doing about those 2 things you have in your control. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great week ahead, and I hope to see you again next week.